What's up, YouTube? So here I have my 2021 GMC Duramax. I've had it for a couple weeks now, but I kept my old 35s from my old truck, and I really hope that they're gonna fit. So in this video today, I'm gonna try to put them on completely stock. No leveling kit, nothing. Size-wise, this truck comes with a 34, just a touch bigger. They say it's an 11 wide online, but when you actually measure the tread, it's only 9 inches, just over, from the here to here. The tires I'm putting on are 35 by 12.5 Toyo RTs. The rims are a 20-inch fuel Triton, 20 by 10, minus 18 offset. So hopefully we can make them fit. Gonna wheel this thing into the garage and get started. So I quickly threw on the driver front here. It's going to be very tight. I'm gonna lower this down, be able to see. So that's all the weight on the front now. Definitely gonna have to do trimming here, I think. I'm gonna get this thing fired up and see if it'll make the turns. So that is right up against their heavy rub. So I just put on both front tires. I got it sitting so you can see how much it's gonna touch. Very close to the metal of the bumper. And obviously it hits the valance. So we're gonna need a little trimming to make these ones fit. Over on the other side, it does touch here, just barely. And then it rubs back down in here. Along in here. It is all pretty soft. Plastic moves. So we'll see if I have to trim anything back there. So I got everything done. I did not end up cutting. I ended up shimming the bumper just so that I didn't have to cut the valance. I drove it to work today. I do need to push the inner fender back, which is easy. A couple zip ties. The back side, you can see, does rub there. And right there. Other than that, it's really not that bad. I have not touched the torsion keys at all. So that is exactly how it came from GM. Nothing too aggressive. If you didn't want to move the bumper, you would easily be able to just trim the valance a little bit, either level it or give the torsion keys a couple cranks.